The mystery of the missing stitches. You were asked to embroider a banner for the school play. You had good embroidery skills, but some digitizing skills. But this was easy. So you thought, I can digitize a simple moon, and I will use the lettering from the software. Perfect. Everything was ready. You even ran the stitch player in the software, and it looked great. Excited about your project, you got out the hoop, stabilizer, fabric, and thread. You even made sure you had a full bobbin and new needles. Everything was ready. Setting off the machine, you left to go to start dinner, knowing that the design would finish in 45 minutes. You came back to this. Oh no, what happened? They're missing stitches! You stupid machine, you were just serviced. Then the tears, because like me, you are a procrastinator and it is needed tomorrow. How do you fix this? I've created a very simple design. Not pretty, but will show what is causing these issues. As you can see in the software, this looks perfect in 3D mode, just like the moon design. The stitching on the left was my 6-needle embroidery machine. Then it stopped stitching and displayed an error code. I turned the machine off and back on and it was fine, so I moved the hoop to the 10-needle and tried again. The ABC design was stitching along just fine. It stitched the underlay without an issue, but instead of a perfect stitch out, I got this with the missing stitches. What would have caused this to happen? Also, I'm showing this on a multi-needle machine, but the same thing will happen on a domestic flat big machine. So instead of a nice filled satin stitch, it has skipped all the stitches in the center. Why? Let's first look at the design in the software in 2D mode. This shows the area between the two vertical guidelines has no stitches, just dotted lines going up and down. In the images below, I measured the height of the stitches where it started skipping and the widest part at the center. Machines only do a 12mm stitch width. After that, it thinks it is a jump stitch and will ignore the stitches as shown in the earlier video. This can also happen with a purchase design where you have increased the size. It is not the digitizer's fault if you make the design larger than the machine can handle. So how do we fix this? First, always view designs in 2D mode. This will give you a look at how it will stitch. Next, in 2D mode, when you see there are areas that do not have stitches, your embroidery software should have something similar to split stitch or auto split. In the image below, split stitch was used, and you will see the software has split the satin stitch so it will embroider without skipping any stitches. Or an alternative would be to use a fill stitch, as shown below. This fills in nicely with no skip stitches and looks great. However, it is a larger stitch count, 2,789 stitches for the satin stitch versus 4,282 with fill stitches. I will take a larger stitch count over no stitches at all. I hope this helps you. Thanks for watching.